Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and today, once again, we're going to be taking a look at the gold market, and more specifically, we're going to be taking a look and following up on the video we had yesterday talking about watching this trend line here in gold. Now, if you recall yesterday, the video was talking about how gold likes to run trend lines once it breaks them. We talked about two different options for trading the breakout on this 60-minute trend line here coming across the highs. The first option was placing a limit just outside of the trend line to get hit as soon as you break out. And that gets you in as soon as that market starts moving, just in case it really starts taking off immediately after the breakout. The second option we talked about was similar to what happened last Friday, and that was trading the retest. So here's your trend line, you have your breakout, the retest, and then it rallies. And we talked about how that'll save you from getting stopped out, whereas on this first one, you would have been long if you got it in as soon as it broke out. You would have been long around 1574, and then that rallied all the way up to 1577, so it wasn't a bad move. More than likely would have had a break, even a stop in place there. But then it came right back down and retested this, so you probably would have gotten stopped out. It retested the trend line and then immediately took off. And if you were waiting for that retest, that happened right around 8 a.m. Eastern time today. And that would have gotten you long around 1571, and this market rallied all the way up, as you can see, to 1590 today, which is a great trade. And the other thing I want to point out is I know for a fact that this is happening. We have people in the live trading room that are still long gold. We've had a bullish outlook on gold since the middle of last week, and the reason we had a bullish outlook is due to testing a very strong weekly support level, and then we had buy signals in gold off of this trend line here for longs, saying, okay, we can buy it every time it bounces off of here. I know for a fact that there's people in the trading room still holding on to positions that are long from 1545, and they're up $55 an ounce just about. So great trade there, and you can see just how well gold respects these trend lines, bounces off of them. So we'll keep on following them and making sure we identify them, and I'll try to alert everyone on signal feed or in the trading room about when they happen, when I see them developing. We'll continue to trade the breakouts and the retests. So look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow in the trading room, and look forward to seeing everyone tonight as well in tonight's webinar. We're going to be talking about increasing your reward to risk ratio trading crude oil futures. That's all I have for today. So until next time, happy trading.